Restart. And reline up. Regrid it. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, we're going to see if this works. Starters ready?
I can see a computer flying halfway. It's working. Whoa.
Hey, everybody, MAINS. After a minute break, and Robert with 3 laps in the lead. Matt with 3 laps in second place. Thomas with 3 laps in third place. Tyler in fourth place at 3.
What's Matt on, Bobby? Don't be afraid to be rough. That was a hell of a pass. Wow, man. Ah! Oh. Next time, let me go first.
5.5.
That was 55.5.
Yeah. Just pretend I'm the rabbit.
20.8. 19.7.
Didn't want anybody to think we were short lapping. After 2 minutes of racing, Robert in first place, Bill with 6 laps, and Matt close behind with 6 laps. Thomas with 6 laps in first
Off
place.
the track.
Larry, Charlie, and Ira
Yeah,
are
they're
all
excited.
top 6 places.
Watch out behind you! Everybody crashed at the same time. Well, he's in the middle of the track. And I'm like stepping backwards in the middle of the track. Come on, man!
I don't think Charlie's got it right.
Come on.
17.1.
Little help, little help.
30.4.
On the other side.
27.2. 3.9.
That was a 53.9.
Yeah, let me make it.
2
2 minutes? I thought it was a 10-minute main. Obviously, he hit the wrong button.
17.8. 20.1.
Charlie.
18.7.
Right behind you.
1 minute left. 21.8. 24.3. 19.9. 28.7. 18.8.
You're welcome. Then I messed myself up.
4.6. flat. 21.6.
Keep racing, keep racing.
Good corner. Sorry.
Keep running.
Behind
Keep
you,
running.
behind you.
Keep running, keep running. All right, it didn't set to 10 minutes. Attention drivers,
It's over.
it did not reset for 10 minutes.